Hello, everyone, and welcome to the next edition of Teams Tip Tuesday. Today, we're going to be talking about group messaging. This is functionality that many of you have probably utilized and are familiar with. We just wanted to take a few minutes today and walk you through this and maybe show you a few things that you weren't aware of and maybe answer any questions that you might have had. So to get started, what we're going to do is in our Teams desktop app, we're going to go to our chat navigation here. And then we're going to hit the compose option like we're starting a new chat up here. And here you have the ability to enter as many names as you would like. So for this example, I'm just going to grab a few users. As you can see, I had independent chats with these users, but when I grouped them together and made a group, I recognize that I am starting a new conversation with these two. Also, if you have an existing group and you go to create a new chat with those same users, the system will recognize that. So it will recognize that and it will pull in the existing chat conversation that you had. So in order to create a new message, it's really simple, just like you would in your normal chat, type a new message dialog box, go ahead and input your message, and you can start communicating with this group. Another thing to note is that if you're going to add a new participant to an existing group, you can go ahead and you can hit add people here. You have the ability to adjust what they're able to see as they're added. So you have the options of don't include chat history, which means they won't see anything previously. You can include the chat history from the past number of days, and you can edit that day number. And also you can include all chat history. So you can utilize that functionality as needed. The last thing I want to talk about too is your ability to rename your group. So if you want to name your group chat as opposed to just having the users' names on there, you can give it something like in this example, I'm just going to say Teams Tip Tuesday group. And you can go ahead and you can give that group that name. And it'll recognize that I've changed the name. And then if I want to search, you'll see that as I'm looking, it'll recognize my Teams Tip Tuesday group in the search bar. So you can always find your group and you can give it a unique name that will be beneficial and make it easier for you to find later on. So that concludes our tip for the day. Please feel free to reach out to us with any additional Teams questions. Thank you.